It was a tragedy that took 3 innocent lives.
We're taking action today.
Public health professionals will soon have to tell police if they believe a patient shouldn't have a gun. They already can and do. The Health Minister is now forcing them.
And that will require caring professionals within the Health Department and within our HHSs to report to the Queensland Police Service when they assess someone as being at a higher risk of harm.
The coroner recommended after the Williambilla shootings, the government consider mandatory mental health assessments for anyone wanting a weapons licence, but that won't be happening.
Indications from elsewhere, WA in particular, where they've done this, it hasn't turned out to be as simple as what was expected.
There are difficulties in rolling that out with mental health services. I understand that. But that shouldn't stop you doing something that's in the interest of the community.
Well, the LNP have learned nothing from the Williambilla tragedy.
The government is also promising to bolster intelligence sharing with federal authorities and deploy 60 drones to improve police surveillance.
State-of-the-art technology that they can use to fly over properties for whatever reason they see fit.
Rachel McCrow and Matthew Arnold's families say, "We welcome any policies or procedure changes designed to better protect QPS officers. The families will always continue to advocate for improved training, communication and protective equipment." The Queensland Police Union has backed the government's new mental health reporting requirement for health professionals, describing it as a common sense approach. Jack Mackay, ABC News.
Both the Queensland and federal governments have recently announced gun reform in the wake of the Bondi terror attack. But those employed in the firearms industry have given the changes a mixed reception.
In 1996, thousands of Queenslanders were handing in their guns. 3 decades on, the debate over gun control has reignited, highlighting Queensland's deep city-country divide.
A lot of people, this is their lifestyle. Those that genuinely have a need for work purposes should probably be able to have a few more firearms.
For some, the government's announcement has brought clarity after months of uncertainty.
I think what we've done in Queensland looks pretty good.
However, gun imports now banned at a federal level will mean Nathan Armstrong will lose 15% of rifle sales.
It's a noticeable impact.
Since 1996, studies have shown mixed results on whether the buyback decreased mass shooting events in Australia.
We do the same thing over and over again, and we expect a different result.
What is clear is the political climate has changed significantly in the past 3 decades due to online radicalism.
One of the key issues here is understanding why people engage in violent acts to begin with.
Queensland was part of the 1996 buyback, but the scheme was nationally fragmented.
And there are increasing administrative problems, which now have some states fearful about the scheme's success.
The rollout blighted by some states' refusal to cooperate.
This party and this state, Queensland, made its reputation that when Canberra told us to do something, we told them to go jump.
Marking a decline in support for major parties.
The changes that were made really saw a shift in people's voting patterns towards One Nation because they ran on quite a pro-gun policy platform.
According to Queensland Police, there are more than 200,000 licensees across the state, with over 1.1 million registered weapons between them.
I would probably support any reform that, as long as it didn't affect shooters.
Jordan Bissell, ABC News.